Okay, hi guys. This is worksheet that I've posted on our Google Classroom, and wanted to go over it with you. So, a genetics pedigree worksheet. A pedigree, again, is a chart of a person's, basically the ancestors. It's kind of like a family tree, but it doesn't show people's names. It shows symbols, and some are they're squares that represent males in a pedigree. Circles represent females, and then there's shading that represents affected individuals. And we're talking about, when we're looking at it, using a pedigree, it's a genetic tool that is used by geneticists to follow different generations, the inheritance of diseases and disorders, and to find out the likelihood of parents having children that have a specific genetic trait or disorder or disease. So again, so females unaffected, it's basically represented by a circle that is blank. An affected female is represented by a circle that is shaded, and males goes for the same thing, except that you have squares instead of circles. So siblings are placed in birth order from left to right. So right here, basically the second generation, these 1, 2, 3. This number 1, this female would be the first child of this first couple, 1 and 2. Second would be the son, and then the third child would be here, this second son. And each generation is labeled with a Roman numeral again, number 1, number 2, number 3, and there can be more. But this pedigree only shows 3 generations. So example, we would name an individual 2, 3 if he or she was in the second generation and the third child born. Okay, so this person right here would be labeled as Roman numeral 2-4. Okay, so we need to try to identify the genotypes of the following individuals using that pedigree.